No. Hate is too great a burden to bear. It injures the hater more than it injures the hated. Who said that?
Coretta Scott King.
That's right. Now, look each other in the eye. In the eye, shake hands, and squash this beef. Come on. Yes.
What's going on? I heard there was fighting.
No, Principal Lowry, I got it. Everything's okay.
I don't want your opinion, Mr. Pierce. I would have asked. Now, which one of you threw the first punch?
Well, it doesn't matter. These young men...
Answer the question.
His punk ass did.
Hey man, he was talking all that mess.
Calm down, okay? So it was you. What's your name?
Mr. Cool Hamilton.
Congratulations, Mr. Hamilton. You've just been expelled.
What? Hey, Mr. Pierce.
You are suspended for a week.
What?
No, Principal Lowry, these two are good kids. They just made a mistake.
And this school has a zero tolerance policy when it comes to fighting. Now get back to class.
No, this school was built on the understanding that no one is beyond redemption.
Times change, Mr. Pierce. And if you feel you're unable to properly enforce the school's new rules and policies, well, you're free to leave as well. Let's go.
He spells him. What?
Class, it's fine. Go back to class. It's fine. Don't you ever talk to me like that. Not here or anywhere else.
Are you threatening me, Mr. Pierce?
Oh, for the record, yes.
As I've said, if you don't like my methods or find you're unable to support them, feel free to go.
Look, to hell with that. Let's be clear. I'm only here to give you cover, to give your presence at Garfield legitimacy. So we both know I'm not going anywhere.
No. You're here to give cover to the board, not me. Now, I understand why they need their black Jesus, but I don't. Because no child will be shot, kidnapped, or overdosed on green light on my watch, period.
Look, if you give that kid another chance, he will become a person that we can all be proud of. But you throw him out in the street, odds are he's gonna become someone to be feared.
Zero tolerance. The rule offers no room for interpretation, which is why it'll be easy for all of us to understand.